Define the terms pollination and fertilization. Draw a diagram of a pistil showing pollen tube growth into the ovule and label the following parts: pollen grain, male gamete, female gamete, and ovary. So what is pollination? Pollination is nothing but transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. That is known as pollination. So here basically the transfer of pollen grains takes place from anther to stigma. Next, fertilization. So this is a process of fusion of male and female gamete to form a zygote, which eventually develops into an embryo, is called fertilization. So basically here the male and female gamete fuse together and they form a zygote, and this zygote gradually develops into an embryo. So this entire process is known as fertilization. So now we need to draw the diagram of pistil. So pistil is nothing but the female reproductive part. And the pollen tube here in this figure, it is entering into the ovule. So this is the pollen tube and the pollen grains. These pollen grains are stick to the stigma, and the male gametes here in the figure you can see the male gametes or male germ cells. So basically this pollen tube, it carries two male gametes. So that is these are the male gametes, or we can say male germ cells. So these male gametes enters to the ovule through this pollen tube. Next is female gametes. So you can see here these are the female germ cells inside the ovule and ovary. So this is the ovary of the flower.